Okay, so we are discussing today a unique health insurance product which is most sellable in the general insurance industry also. Let's see what is this. So the product is Shri Hospital Daily Cash Benefit Insurance. This Hospital Daily Cash Benefit Insurance is most popular also. Reason being, this is one of the most required products. See the overview of this product. Entry age is between 91 days to 45 years. This covers self, spouse, and dependent children individually in one policy. Dependent children means age is 91 days to 25 years. Proposers of 18 years above is mandatory, because if a children is taking, then in that case proposer must be more than 18 years of age. So these are the basic requirements of the product. This Hospital Daily Cash Benefit Insurance policy provides daily cash allowance to the insured. There are a lot of out-of-pocket expenses during the hospitalization, and these expenses are generally not covered in medical insurance policies. So those expenses which are excluded from the medical insurance policies are covered in this policy. A person with or without any existing policy can take Hospital Daily Cash Benefit Insurance. Because you will find in a policy like medical which is more popular and it is available with all the general insurers almost, especially with PSUs. This policy does not cover the admission, registration and processing charges, non-medical items, non-payable items like gloves, betadine, cotton, cost of surgical equipment, accessories, food expenses, loss of pay, expenses of attendants, travel expenses of family members. Such expenses are not covered under Mediclaim. And every patient or their attendant have to incur a lot of amount over these heads. But these heads are excluded from the policy. So for such purposes, this policy is the best one. Now this Hospital Daily Cash Insurance provides two plans. One is basic plan, which covers three types of risk or three categories of risk. The other one is advanced plan, which provides 6 categories of benefits. So now, the special thing about this plan is two plans are there. Basic plan will be available for 90 days, 120 days and 180 days. Advanced plan is also available for the similar days, 90, 120 and 180 days. Per day benefit limit is fixed as 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000 rupees per day in both the plans, basic and advanced. But the coverage is different. Coverage basic plan includes only 3 categories, that is sickness daily hospital cash benefit, accident hospital cash benefit and intensive care unit. But in advanced plan, 6 categories are covered. In addition to these 3 categories, convergence benefit, compassionate benefit and childbirth hospital cash are also covered. So these 6 category of benefits are available in advanced plan. Now what are these 6 category of benefits? Let us understand. First, sickness daily hospital cash benefit. During the policy period, if an insured person suffers from any disease or illness and he requires hospitalization, then insured will be eligible for hospital daily cash benefit. Minimum 24 hours hospitalization is required. In this category of benefit, 1 day deductible is there, that is 24 hours, first 24 hours, nothing will be paid. For remaining days of hospitalization, the policy will pay as per the limit selected. Say, for an example, if the insured is selecting a plan for 90 days and he is selecting 5,000 rupees per day benefit limit. Now he is hospitalized for 5 days. So 1 day will be deducted, and for remaining 4 days he will get 5,000 rupees per day. So 20,000 rupees will be payable, and out of his 90 days limits, 4 days will be deducted, so the remaining days are 86. That means for remaining days, if during the policy period he is hospitalized again, or any of his family member who is covered under the policy is hospitalized, in that case the policy will pay the compensation at the same date. Other benefit is accident hospital daily cash. Accident hospital cash benefit means if the insured person sustains bodily injury due to any accident and require hospitalization, then the company will pay the insured 2 times of daily hospital cash. 24 hours of continuous and completed period will be treated as 1 day, and there will be no deductible under this category of benefits. Try to understand it with an example. Plan opted for 90 days, limit opted 5,000 rupees per day. Now suppose the insured suffered with an accident and is hospitalized for 5 days. No deduction is there. For 5 days he will get 2 times of daily hospital cash. If he has selected 5,000, it means he will get 10,000 rupees per day. So for 5 days he will get 50,000 rupees. And these 5 days will be deducted from his 90 days. So the remaining period remain under the policy is 85 days. Third category is intensive care unit. This benefit means during the policy period, if an insured is hospitalized due to any sickness, injury or accident, hospitalized in ICU, then this policy will pay 2.5 times of daily hospital cash. 24 hours of continuous and completed period will be treated as 1 day, and the policy deductible will apply as per the reason. If it is sickness, in that case the deduction will apply. If it is accident, then it will not. So for example, insured has taken 90 days plan with a daily limit of 5,000 rupees per day. He is hospitalized due to accident for 5 days in ICU. Or if it is due to sickness, then 1 day deductible will apply, otherwise not. So if it is sickness, in that case for 4 days he will get 2.5 times of daily limit, means 5,000 will become 12,500. So for 4 days he will get 50,000, and days remaining are 86 only. If it is due to 5 days, accident, in that case he will get for all 5 days, but 12,500 into 5 days. Then the days remaining will be 85 days only. So these are the 3 basic categories which are covered under the basic plan. But in advanced plan, 6 categories are covered. So 4th category is convergence benefit. Now this convergence benefit means that the insured person is hospitalized for at least 15 consecutive days. Then the policy will pay additional lump sum amount equal to 5 times of daily cash. Additional amount. Whatever benefit is payable, that we will get. But an additional amount, that is lump sum amount equal to 5 times of daily cash, he will also get. So this benefit is payable in addition to the basic plan. Deductible is as per policy plans. Say for example, he has opted at 90 days with a benefit of 5,000 rupees per day. He is hospitalized for 16 days due to accident. Now amount payable is 16 days into 5,000 rupees means 80,000. This is benefit payable as per the policy. But additionally, for convergence benefit, because he was admitted for more than 15 days, so he is entitled for an additional amount of 5,000 rupees for only 5 days. So that means 5,000 into 5, 25,000 rupees extra. So he will get 80,000 plus 25,000, that means total 1,05,000 rupees. And 16 days will be deducted from his 90 days limit. So the days remains are 74 days only. Fifth benefit is compassionate benefit. This benefit says if the insured person is hospitalized during the policy period for treatment of an injury due to an accident, and if the insured person dies during the course of such hospitalization, his nominees will get an additional lump sum amount equal to 10 times of daily hospital cash benefit. So this benefit is payable in addition to the basic plan, and this is an advanced plan only. And in this benefit there is no deduction applicable. Let's see it with an example. Plan opted for 90 days with 5,000 rupees per day benefit limit. Hospitalization period is 5 days. No deductible applicable. And 6th day the person died during the hospitalization in the treatment period. So what this policy will pay? For 5 days you are under treatment due to an accident, means double benefit you will get. So for 5 days 10,000 rupees per day, 50,000 rupees. And compassionate benefit on account of his death, 5,000 into 10, that is 50,000 again. So total benefit would be 1 lakh rupees. But mind one thing, since the insured has died, this amount will be paid to his nominee. In case there is no nomination filled in the proposal form, insurance company will not pay any compensation, because insurance company does not know who is the legal heir or successor of the insured. So for that purpose either the nomination must be there or a legal heir certificate, what we call a successor certificate, is required, and that is issued by the court of law. That may take very uncertain period, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. And the process is also very tedious, because all the documents will be examined, all the persons will be examined. So by that time they will forget this is for the reason of getting the claim. So it is always better to fill the name of nominee in the proposal form. A child birth hospital cash is the 6th and last benefit. But this is limited benefit. Limited in the sense, during the period of the policy, if there is a child delivery or maternity is there, this policy will pay the benefit as per the policy entitlement. But for this entitlement, waiting period of 2 years is there from the date of addition of a spouse in the policy. If right from the beginning, husband and wife both are covered under the policy, then it's fine. If the wife is added subsequently, then from that date again, 2 years waiting period will apply. No deductible is applicable, but 2 years waiting period is there. Say for an example, plan opted is advance plan for 90 days with a limit of 5,000 rupees per day. Hospitalization period is 5 days. No deduction is applicable. benefit payable would be 5 into 5,000, that is 25,000. But this benefit would be in the third year, because in first year waiting period is there, second year is also waiting period. Only in third year this benefit can be claimed. If 5 days benefit is given, then the remaining period is 85 days as per the policy. So the policy have certain exclusions also. For example, pre-existing diseases are not covered. No health policy will cover pre-existing diseases. Certain other diseases which are excluded from the policy are not payable. And here 30 days, unless within 30 days from the first policy commencement, will be excluded. So this policy will give you the benefit of after 2 years only. Now if any benefit has to be claimed by the insured, the claim documents are not very much, because for the identity of the person some KYC document is required. Positive investigation report confirming the diagnosis is required. Duly filled up claim form is required by the insurance company. And original discharge summary of the hospital is required. Claim is settled quickly within no time. Additional features are: policy provides 15 days free look period, 30 days renewal grace period, and the benefit of Section 80D. All health insurance policies provide the benefit of Section 80D. That means exemption of the insurance premium under Section 80D of the Income Tax Act. Policy discount is also there. Direct discount is 18%. And family discount is 10% if more than 2 members are covered under the policy. So this is a premium chart. You don't need to calculate anything. This is given in such a manner that you have to find out only how many days are selected, and if the insured is minor or major, because the premium for minor is less, and premium will increase according to the age of the insured. So under both the plans, basic plans as well as advanced plans, the same funda is applicable. Plan is in 3 categories: 90 days, 120 and 180 days. For adults, different rate is applicable, and for minors, different rate is applicable. So you don't need to calculate the premium. So all 6 categories of benefits are applicable in advanced plan. Both plans are having similar per day limits: 1,000 rupees per day, 2,000 rupees per day, 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000 rupees per day. Number of days are also similar: 90 days, 120 and 180 days. But some other discounts are also available on the policy. Like employer-employee discount is there, 9%. And if a group is insured, then according to group size, the discount is available from 2% to 10%. So this is the policy. All benefits are available under the advanced plan. So normally advanced plan is suggested as compared to basic plan. But this is a more sellable policy because this is covering all those expenses which normally Mediclaim policy is excluding, and this is a benefit policy. The benefit policy does not clash with Mediclaim policy kind of things. Because if one insured wants both the policies, Mediclaim and this plan, he can claim under both the policies. There will be no clash of interest. Because Mediclaim benefit policy is indemnity based policy and this is benefit based policy. Benefit is provided as per the limits selected by the insured. So, insured is entitled to claim in both the policies, even for the same kind of sickness. The principle of indemnity does not violate here anything. Mediclaim, Ayushman, or any such indemnity-based policy will not affect on the insured's benefits. Now you may ask any questions. If you have any questions, you can ask. Akshay, you can ask the team if there is any doubt. I'll explain to you.
The major doubt, I think.
So it's okay with all?
Yes, sir.